Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Myra for allowing me to, or I should say, giving me the permission to send this video over to you guys. So this video is purely educational and informational, just kind of showing you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online and how to outrank your competitors on Google, okay, to land more clients. I get it, it is bug season. Obviously, you guys are probably super busy. But in the times where it is not bug season, you're definitely going to want those phones ringing continually, right, throughout the year, so you can keep your technicians busy, allowing you more clients during the non-busy months, right? So there's three things that we're going to talk about today, okay? So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? So as I was kind of scoping through your website before I started making this video, I had to admit that it's really user-friendly. Like, it's super easy to maneuver, nothing too crazy. It's super simple, and I like it. Very professionally made, very professionally done. Now, unfortunately, Google doesn't really care about how user-friendly or pretty a website is, right? So all they care about is content and keywords, right? So if I were to highlight all of your content here on your website, I'm going to copy it and put it on my word counter over here. Let's see. All right, so you have 775 words on your landing page alone. So a solid website or a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on their homepage alone. Okay, and it also comes with relevant keywords. So which is associated to your niche. So if I was in your position, I would write something like pest control Corpus, or pest control Corpus Christi, pest control services Corpus Christi, pest control services Corpus, things like that, right? Those are relevant keywords, and they're buyer intent keywords. They're keywords that are searched for by people that are looking for services like yours. Okay, so that's the first thing I would do. Okay, so bump up these words to 1,500 or 2,000, and using relevant keywords. Okay. Now, secondly, what I want to talk to you about are backlinks, okay? So what I went on ahead and did is I plugged in your website on my tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, considering I'm in the industry, but there are other tools out there that are completely free to use. All you'd have to do is Google them, just put in backlink checker free, keyword researcher for free, things like that, and you could see exactly what I'm seeing here, okay? And this just allows me to see what's going on in the background of your website, okay? Kind of the analytics, exactly what's going on, who's viewing it, and things like that, okay? So referring domains here are the amount of websites, of other websites that are pushing traffic towards your website. And the backlinks are simply the amount of times that these other websites are pushing traffic to you, okay? So you have 36 organic keywords, and only 4 people are viewing your website per month, okay? Now, if we were to look at your competitors, which I have them over here, right? Fox Pest Control out of Corpus, they have 125 referring domains, 610 backlinks, and 1,100 keywords, okay, bringing them a total of 4,700 in traffic value. If you could see here, they have roughly 555 people visiting their website per month, okay, as compared to yours, you only have 4. Honestly, it could just be, I know that this is a larger organization, this is just their Corpus Christi branch, but if they're not ranking well locally, well, then you could definitely take that spot, right? Because you guys are more of a more mom and pop local, company that's trying to land more clients, right? So this is kind of what I was looking at with them. Okay, so it would be a lot easier for you to rank locally, right? Because these guys are a corporation. So so they have 125, 610, and if I'm honest with you, not all backlinks are created equal. Okay. Google knows that you're not a KFC or a Whataburger, right? Which of course you guys have down in Texas. So they know that you're not a restaurant, so they don't want other websites that are restaurants or anything that's not related to your niche pushing traffic to you, because it doesn't build trust, right? Google is a popularity contest, and they want to know that other websites that are associated with your niche or related to your niche are pushing traffic to you. Okay, it gives you more power, it gives you more visibility on Google. Okay, now lastly, what I want to talk to you about are citations. Okay, citations is what gets you here in the map pack. Okay, now the Fox Pest Control and your other competitors down here obviously have more citations than you are. Now, citations, if you're wondering what that is just anywhere that your business address, name, phone number, email address, and website, if they allow it, anywhere that is in a directory. Okay, and a directory can be a yellow pages, white pages. You've got Yelp, Home Advisor, just places like that, right? Those are directories. So anywhere that your business information, where people can find you, can be found. Okay, so you would want to, so say if your competitors here are using 100 different citations local to the Corpus Christi area, then you would want to go up to 200 at least in order to dominate this #1 spot, landing you more calls, landing you more clients, and just giving you more visibility, right? So, and then down here, this is where the backlinks are. See, this is why they're #1 here. You've got patrol as well, or I should say pest patrol. So that's exactly what you would want to do. Okay. Now you're probably wondering where you go from here, right? So there are two possible choices you can make. So one, you can take all this information and use it for yourself, right? So you would want to up the content, use relevant keywords to your niche. You would want to increase your backlinks. So the good thing about those backlinks is that if they're good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you. Okay, so you would just do the research and see where they're getting their backlinks from, and you would use them on your own website. And then lastly is citations. The same thing with citations is researching where your where your competitors' businesses are found on these directories and just putting your business in there. Okay, that would increase the amount of citations and increasing your placement here on this map pack. All right. I don't know if you're like me, but I don't really search, through the 3rd or 4th page of Google to see what I'm looking for or to find what I'm looking for. I usually just trust the map pack. So, your second option is to outsource some help, right? And if you needed help in any way, any guidance, direction in any way in this area, you could definitely reach out to me. Obviously, I'm in the industry, so you can, if you had any questions about anything, please reach out to me and I'd be glad to help you, okay? Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. A special thanks to Myra for allowing me to shoot this video for you guys. And you guys have a wonderful day.